I'm at this beautiful koi pond at the San Francisco Aquarium. Actually, I'm not. I'm inside Connie's Pond and Koi, and we're just about ready to meet the owner. Look at this beautiful koi pond indoors. Big old fish. And look at that. While I wait, I'm going to show you around. They got everything you need to have koi fish. Everything. Hi, I'm Hank at Connie's Pond and Koi. We're here in Castro Valley. We sell ponds, water features, waterfalls. If you haven't been down here, come down, check it out. We'll give you a grand tour, help you out for some beautiful accents to enhance your backyard. How do we find you? Social media? And we're at, our website is conniespondandkoi.com, and the Instagram is Connie's Pond and Koi. I believe those are the ones. And I love your Castro Valley vibe.